Hi guys, back with another video. So today I'm going to be planting my very own herb garden. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I've never planted anything before, but recently I repotted our aloe vera and it was pretty cool, but this is my first time, so we'll see how this goes. So this set comes with 3 pots and 3 little tablet soil things, and I'll show you guys those. So here are the soil tablet things. They kind of feel like corks, but we'll just see how they work. And this set also comes with 3 seed packets. So first you want to pour 4 ounces of water and then add your soil tablet. So you're not supposed to do this, you're supposed to add warm water and then add the tablet and it will soak it up all by itself. Hey, but we're not quitters. We're gonna keep forcing this. So just like the instructions said, it sucked up all the water all by itself. Now we add 90% of the soil to the bottom of the pot. Pat it down, but not too tight. And we're starting with the basil. So I was going to put them in my hand to show them to you guys, but because they're like micro seeds, I couldn't really show you guys. So I just put them in the pot. Now it's time to add the remaining soil loosely on the top. Boom, done. So this is what it actually looks like after you leave the pellet alone to let it soak up all by itself. Kinda looks like a dry brownie. Anyway, we break it up with the fork and it's all ready to go. Again, we're adding 90% of the soil to the bottom of the pot. Next, we're gonna add some parsley. Just trying to make sure I got all 10 seeds. Now add the rest of the soil. And the last one. This is a lot easier than I thought it would be. So guys, have you learned anything new or found a new hobby during quarantine? Comment it down below. I just want to know what you guys are up to. So I'm almost finished filling this last one up. The final one is chives. According to the directions, it takes about 4 weeks for all the plants to start growing. So make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel so you guys can catch all my herb garden updates. Almost done. I haven't been outside in like a month, and this sun is burning. Voila! Done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys!